An election for deputy chairman post of Maharashtra Legislative Council will take place on Tuesday. Former alliance partners Shiv Sena and the Bharatiya Janata Party are standing against each other as the Shiv Sena has nominated Neelam Gorhe again for deputy chairman post and BJP has nominated senior leader Bhai Grihar for the same post. 10 a.m. is the deadline to take the nomination back. Usually in such elections, the opposition are ruling and party always try to make the election unopposed. But this time it looks that BJP is not in the mood to withdraw the candidature. Shiv Sena wants to make this election an unopposed one to continue the legacy of the Maharashtra Legislative Council. Mahavikas Aghadi leaders with help of NCP will try to convince the BJP to withdraw the nomination of Grihar for the deputy speaker's post. On day 1 of the 2-day assembly session, BJP had requested the chairman of Legislative Council to postpone the election of the deputy chairman's post due to the pandemic situation. Voting for such an election is a fundamental right of members of the House, as many members are not present in this session due to COVID situation. Leader of opposition in lower house Devendra Fadnavis said by conducting an election in such a situation, Mahavikas Aghadi government is trying to suppress the basic rights of members of the House. We must conduct this election later. BJP is having a strength of 22 members in the upper house. Shiv Sena has got 24 MLCs, NCP 9 and Congress 8. There are 18 vacant seats in the council. 4 independent members, 3 others. BJP is claiming that they will reach 25, whereas the MVA government is confident of getting the strength of 35. According to the sources, BJP has asked all its members of the upper house to remain present for voting. Also, BJP has requested the House chairman to allow members diagnosed with COVID-19 to cast their votes via online system.